Alright guys, I got a new one here for you. A 2009 VW EOS. EOS got 74,550 on the miles, and this thing is clean. Holy cow, it's clean. Let's start it up. And close. I think this is a folding hardtop convertible. We're gonna find out. Oh, okay, it is. Okay, there's the switch. Let me just get some AC going. Good grief, it has turned into a warm day. Wow. Got a piece of janky trim. Oh man, that stinks. It's time to get her serviced, but a Volkswagen with no warning lights? Are you kidding me? And an 09. Oh, here it goes. 09, 74,000 miles. We don't have any warning lights. I can't believe it. Okay, is the top gonna fall? Okay, there we go. I just gotta figure out which direction to pull things. Well, is that not cool? We're ready to ride. Well, this is a pretty cool little rig. I've never been in one of these. I like my VWs now. Clean. I mean, very clean again. Not a lot on the touch points. However, let's see, I'm not feeling much on the AC front. Okay, there we go. I had it cut off. I mean, I had the fan on, but didn't have the pump on, the compressor. There it goes. Starting to get cold now. Wow, what a cool car. I mean, this thing is so neat. I've never paid much attention to these things. But, hey, whenever you get seated in a convertible, magic always starts to happen, right? Oh, man. It doesn't matter what kind of convertible it is. If the top goes down, man, you're having fun. Pretty peppy, pretty peppy. I can't believe this thing only has 74,000 miles. I mean, for an 09, that is nuts. Let's put it in sport mode. I think I can do a little better. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah. Holy cow. She's got the pep. She's got pep in her step. That's my seatbelt flopping around. This would be a beautiful day to be driving one of these. Put it back in regular drive. What a cool piece, man. What a cool piece. This thing definitely is a DSG transmission, I can tell. They're a little different. Kind of a desert smoke silver color, I guess. God, I got brand new Bridgestone tires on it. What a neat rig. I guess that's the 2.0 turbo. Where does it say? I'm pretty sure. Okay, we've got a replacement hood here. So it's been in at least a minor fronting collision. Okay, we got original badges on the fenders. We got good red pink coolant, so that's good to see. Let's check our oil. Looking good. Not bad. Runs pretty good. Nice looking headlights. Yeah, it's a good looking little rig all the way around. Shoot, yeah, man. Missing the T 2.0. Chattanooga East. That's a trade-in at the Nissan store. So it's now at the Ford store. So it's been traded around a couple of times. Oh, that's cool. So you can get to the back seat. Yeah, that's real handy. And it's fast. I like this. This one will be on the short list as well, folks. Sure will. Anyway, 2009 Volkswagen EOS, 74,000 miles. Comment below, tell me what you think. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you with the next one. Peace.